Phoebe.
And kia ora, Winton School. Ko Shayla ahau. I am Shayla.
Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rapare, the 16th of February.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's phrase is Parahutihuti ina te hara, ana te haere.
Which is te reo, for they went flat out.
Okay, on to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast today is high from 11 until 3.
So Nga Potae from 11 please, kia ora. Middle gardening group representatives from 6 to 11 need to meet Mrs. O'Neill in room 6 at 12:30 today. Bring your lunchbox, VIZ VESTS and Nga Potae.
VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Pedestrian Crossing news. Please make sure you are looking carefully before crossing the road.
Look right, look left, and look right again before crossing the road. Koutou.
Birthday news. One at Winton School today.
A big happy birthday to Isaac in room 6. He's turning 7 today. A big happy birthday to you.
Kapahaka practice for the seniors today in the hall from 12:30. Make sure you bring your lunch.
Word on the street is that Miss Crone has been working in magic on the streets of Gore. Walking up some of those steep hills is sure to get the adrenaline pumping.
Come on, Winton School runners, bikers and walkers. Get those limbs moving. We've got some teachers to beat.
Good luck to Miss Brown this weekend as she takes on the Wanaka Challenge.
A nice training ground in preparation for the Winton Fun Run. Give it heaps.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kitea popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere and stay classy, Winton School.